Moving on now, after over a year of being shut, schools are finally opening up across the world, along with the looming threat as the Delta variant continues to spread rapidly. On Friday, the Center for Disease Control and Prevention said that an unvaccinated teacher from California infected half of her class as she was reading aloud the chapters, often without the mask. Without disclosing the name of the school, the CDC said that the teacher was from the Marin County and took classes even though she had visible symptoms of cough, fever and chills. CDC researchers say that the teacher had symptoms of COVID-19 in mid-May but continued working until she received a positive coronavirus test. Out of a class of 2 students, 12 children tested positive for COVID-19. And keep in mind that all of these kids were under the age of 12, hence ineligible to get the jab. A chain of transmission then followed, and in the end, 26 people, including students, tested positive. Further discussing the outbreak, the CDC said that 8 out of 10 children who sat in the front rows contracted the virus. Going further, 4 out of 14 children sitting in the back rows contracted the virus. It is not just the United States that has opened schools. States across India have started their schools again, and remaining will soon bring students back to the classrooms. Talking about the Indian capital, New Delhi, schools will open in a phased manner from the first week of September. Local administrations say that social distancing and masks have been made compulsory for the schools and that the consent of parents is mandatory for attending offline classes. Outbreaks like these have put policymakers across the globe in a conundrum. And on one hand, they need to eventually open schools for the holistic development of the future generation. But on the flip side, lapses like these put those lives and many others at risk. A recent study carried out by MC Kinsey and Company suggests that parents across the United States think their children have fallen behind in schools because of the pandemic. The report reveals that students fell about 5 months behind in maths and 4 months behind in reading during the lockdown period. It also said that the children experienced significant social, emotional and mental health challenges. Following the California outbreak, there are growing calls for vaccine mandates in schools, with some districts such as New York City have already implemented. During a White House briefing, the CDC director, Dr. Rochelle Walensky, said that evidence has repeatedly demonstrated that multi-layer prevention strategies such as vaccination for all children and adults who are eligible for masks for all students, teachers, staff, visitors, ventilation, physical distancing and screen testing work to prevent the spread of COVID-19 in schools. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.